The Search Editor Apply Changes extension lets you use search editors to edit multiple files in your workspace. The Search Editor Apply Changes extension lets you use search editors to edit files in your workspace. This also lets you use multicursor across multiple files. Here I've already installed this extension, so let's switch over to a TypeScript file to take a look at how it works. Now say that I want to update everywhere in the codebase that's using this pattern: static, read-only ID, and then a unique string name. I'm going to create a search editor by first having a selection, and then opening the command palette with Control-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P, and doing search editor, open new search editor. So I'll run that command, and now I get a search editor that is displaying all of the results in 146 files. So I can just browse through those. Now I can also click into one of the search results and start editing. But the important thing to note is that when I edit this file, I'm not actually updating the open document link file here. I'm just editing the search result. If I want to go and update the file on disk as well, I have to use the command from the Apply Changes extension. So I'm going to open the command palette again and do apply, and do the apply search editor changes to workspace command. So that's the command coming from the extension. When I go and I run this, we'll see that VS Code has opened this open document links file here. And if we actually view the diff and see what has changed, sure enough, it's gone and applied the changes that we've made in the search editor to that file. So that's what the apply search editor changes to workspace command does. Let's quit out of this and go back to our search editor. Because the other cool thing that this enables is actually using multi-cursor across files. So if I wanted to, I can go and create multiple cursors here just manually by clicking, and I could make changes and then run that command again. But in this case, let's say that I wanted to update every single file here. I'm going to use the select all occurrences of find match command using Command-Shift-L or Control-Shift-L. So now I have an occurrence or a cursor for every occurrence of the search term here. Now I can just go and update all of the search terms, add a new prefix to all of these strings here. Now I'm going to run the same command again. So I'm going to do apply search editor changes to workspace again. And now VS Code is gone, and I'll run save all to update all of these files and go over to my get diff view. And you can see that sure enough, 146 files have been updated. If we browse into one of these files, you can see that new has been added to every occurrence where the pattern we're targeting is being used. So that's the Search Editor Apply Changes extension. It enables some really cool use cases, including using multicursor across multiple files.